So this is our CADJPY for the day. Let's see what we'll be expecting. So let's start with our trend. But first, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe right now. Click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification, and also click on the follow the Telegram to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So our next movement on CADJPY will be a bullish move. So be expecting a buy next on CADJPY. Why we will be expecting such a movement is that when you take a look at your trend clearly on your CADJPY, we are in an uptrend move. So if we see this to be your high and here is the higher low, we can also see this to be the higher high and this higher low. We would also take a look at this to be our higher high and this the higher low. This is also can be seen as the higher high and here comes the higher low. So with this movement now, we should be expecting market to give us another bullish move, which will what eventually form a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we'll be expecting on CADJPY. Now let's go down to our 4 time frame. So we can clearly see here, this is a support level right here, a kind of a rejection level. So we should be expecting market to react on this level where we currently are on CADJPY. So this is one of the reasons why a bullish move to a level of 114 is what we should be targeting. With that movement, we should be able to easily hit about 60 pips, right? 60 to 100 pips, which is a level 114 is what we are expecting next. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any single updates.